Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth and yeah, welcome. So yeah, in this week's video we are gonna have I don't even know how many outfits that is, but yeah, I've been shooting what I wore in a day, almost every single day. So yeah, I've just compiled that to be one video, so it's gonna be like, I think, outfit inspiration kind of thing. So yeah, I just thought I should do a proper intro because the whole video is gonna be a voiceover. Yeah, just so I take you guys through the outfits, and if I do remember, I'll say where I bought that's the stuff that I wore. That's if I still remember, because some of the things are really old, and then some I got from like my friend and stuff like that, so I really don't know where she got them. But anyway, I hope you guys will enjoy. If you do like this video, please click the like button, please subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, let's do this, guys. So yeah, this first outfit is, the top is actually a suit. I got it from a friend of mine. She doesn't have them anymore though, so I just took this shirt blouse thing, I guess. I really love it. This was actually my first day at work, guys, so I wanted to look like a lady without putting too much effort on it. And then this skirt is actually a dress. It's a bandage dress that I got from Squad Metalworks in G West, and then I paired this with black heels that I got from Woolworth. The next outfit I wore is this blouse that I once shot. I got this from Aliexpress. Underneath I put a vest, a string top that I got from Pep stores, and then I wore these with these very nice pants I got from Woolworths. I really love these. They are still available in store, but I'm not sure about the sizes. And then same heels I wore from the last clip, heels from Woolworths. And then I took a blazer that I got from my mom. She long bought it from Truworths. I really love it because it's oversized. I just took this because it has like a oversized feeling when I wear it. So yeah, I let my hair loose this time. Flip it, girl. Yeah, I like this. And then the earrings I wore, I believe I got from Mr. Price. Yeah, I think from Mr. Price. I don't even know what I was doing here, but anyway, earrings are from Selection Mart in Block 3 Industrial. Blazer Truworths, got from my mom. The top is from Mr. Price. I long got it. I don't think they have it anymore, but you can find something similar. Then the skirt, sweetie, the skirt I got the heels from Legit. And then yeah, back to the skirt. I got the skirt in a Chinese store in Block 3 Industrial. The shop is called Big Discount Store. I believe the skirt was 45 bula, something like that. Guys, they really had so many colors, but at the time I didn't have money, so I'm definitely gonna go back for more colors because they're really amazing. They have a mustard, they have a black, they have, I think, a military green, they have this color that I'm wearing that I don't even know what color this is. But yeah, I really love this. I love the fit, and a definite must get. Yeah, the heels, like I said, are from Legit from a long time ago. Guys, this outfit is when the weather was really harassing us. It was really cold. Anyway, the hat, I got this hat from the Trappies by Mogodishane on your way to Rabane. Yeah, the Chinese stores aren't there. It had a feather, but I removed it. And then yeah, these are actually Louis Vuitton duplicate sneakers that I long got. Really love these. But that's starting to be painful on my feet. But anyway, I love these. Sorry, they're dirty. And then this is the dress that I wore the other time when I told you guys I made it a skirt for my first day of work. This is actually how the dress looks. It is a bob tube. And then this jersey, I got this jersey from more or less in Broadhurst. I got it last year, I think, or 2 years ago, for like 45. This dress was 55 pula, I believe. I really love this. The hat, like I said, was from a Chinese store. I believe even Oriental Plaza has this. It was probably 30 bucks. You guys are gonna think I'm crazy wearing a coat because you guys are gonna watch this when it's actually hot. But anyway, I'm wearing this coat that I got from my friend Bakang. The top is from Ackermans from a very long time ago. The jeans are Fashion Nova from a Chinese store. I'll link my video somewhere or in the description box. I really love the fit. And then the boots are actually Forever 21 that I also got from a Chinese store. Same video, I'll link it down below for you guys to go see and you know the details. But yeah, they're all from Chinese stores. Okay. Anyway, this blouse I got from my friend Bakang, and then this skirt, it's actually I put it the other way around. It has a slit in front, but that's not what I wanted. I wanted a clean look for this outfit, so I switched it like the front to the back, so the slit was actually behind. But yeah, anyway, the skirt is from Mr. Price. They have really nice skirts for corporate world. Really love them. Heels are the same heels, Woolworths. I got them from there. This blouse, I don't know, got it from Bakang. Yes, this next outfit, I really love this, guys. I really love this. I wore this bodysuit that I got from the Fix. It is a backless bodysuit and it's quite revealing, so it's not really for corporate. However, I did have a blazer on top of this throughout the day, and then I paired this with pants from Bakang and these mules from Legit. For the next outfit, I wore this really nice dress that I got from Edgar's. I don't think it's there anymore. Actually, it's not there anymore. I went there some time ago, and then I paired this with heels that I got from my cousin. She bought these from Small Street, so if you know anyone who buys stuff from Small Street, any runners, I believe they'll be able to find these for you. I really love these. They're so comfortable. So yeah, I just wanted a pop of color for a change. Guys, I keep talking about Woolworths heels. Anyway, the heels are from Woolworths. This dress is actually a Zara woman dress. It's from Zara, but I got it from Big Discount Store a couple of weeks ago. I think 2 weeks ago, so you guys will be able to find it. Big Discount Store. It's in Block the Industrial. It's the day I actually went for my monthly injection, so I wanted something loose, something, you know, something that I could be able to breathe in, because I did say the injection is quite a lot. But yeah, that was very short. I know. Anyway, if you guys liked this video, if you guys like this type of content or these videos, please do like this video so that I know, and you know, leave in the comment section which one is your favorite outfit and where you'd rock that. Okay, let's engage, let's talk, and I'll see you guys in my next video.